There are many technology tools available for recording and editing video, and the best tools for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Here are some popular options. Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing software with a wide range of features and tools. It is used by many video professionals and offers powerful editing capabilities. Final Cut Pro, a popular video editing software for Mac users. It is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced editing tools. iMovie, a free video editing software that comes pre-installed on Mac computers. It is a great option for beginners or those on a budget. Filmora, a beginner-friendly video editing software that offers a wide range of features, including text overlays, filters, and transitions. Camtasia, a screen recording and video editing software that is popular among educators and trainers. It is designed for creating instructional videos and includes features like callouts and annotations. OBS Studio, a free and open-source software that allows users to record and live stream video. It is popular among gamers, but can be used for any type of video recording. Zoom, a video conferencing software that also offers recording capabilities. It is a popular choice for remote meetings, webinars, and interviews. Loom, a screen recording tool that allows users to record and share videos quickly and easily. It is a great option for creating short instructional videos or product demos. Screencastify, a screen recording extension for Google Chrome that allows users to record their screen and webcam. It is a popular choice for creating educational videos or video tutorials. Handbrake, a free and open-source video transcoder that allows users to convert video files to different formats. It is a great tool for optimizing videos for different platforms or devices. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and please hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.